Hi, this is Chris. I'm back here today with local HUD consultant Gerald Stewart. And today we're going to talk about FHA 203K HUD minimum standards. So when you do an FHA loan, you have HUD minimum standards that cover health and safety. If you do a conventional renovation loan, they do not call out those repairs. So Gerald, can you just identify some of the HUD minimum standards that you see that are pretty common in homes that a contractor probably wouldn't even know that has to be fixed, but per HUD has to on a 203K?
Absolutely. It starts with when you first approach your property. We're looking at the service walk, the sidewalk, if there are trip hazards, if the home has handrails, if there are broken window panes, if there's peeling paint, the condition of the roof. And then when we get on the interior of a property, we're looking at the condition of the walls. Are there holes in the walls? FHA does not allow any holes or cracks in walls. The finished floor surfaces, the electrical throughout. If you have sufficient heat, one of the things we notice a lot, some homes may have the just a central heat unit set in maybe the dining room and not actual heat source in the bedrooms or the bathrooms. And per FHA guidelines, you have to have a heat supply in these rooms of your home. Okay. So these are real essential things that make the property healthy and safe for someone to occupy.
And FHA requires those repairs. They're mandatory. Those are called mandatory minimum standards. Again, not the same on conventional. They don't care about broken window panes, trip hazards. It's just a different loan. So I'm here for all your needs. While I do renovation lending, I also can do move-in ready. So if you're unsure if you want to buy a home that's move-in ready or you might buy a fixer-upper, I can handle both for you. So please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips.